Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, The Quiz with Fun.
Let's test your English vocabulary. Do you think your English vocabulary is strong? In this quiz, you will see funny questions along with 3 multiple choice options. Your challenge is to choose the correct word before the time runs out. So think fast, pick the correct answers. You have only 5 seconds time. Before starting, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's get started. A place where weapons are stored is called. The correct answer is arsenal. A life story of a person written by himself is called. Answer is autobiography. One who talks while asleep is called. Which one is the correct answer? This one is correct. Are you ready for this question? One who believes in fate is called. Good guess, it's fatalist. Foolish man riding on motorcycle as guard to a VIP. Guess the correct answer. Outriders. This is question number 6. One who collects coins is called. You are right, it's a numismatist. Get ready for the next question. One who talks of his own achievements. Which is the correct answer? The answer is egotist. Fill this blank. Dash is one who speaks many languages. The answer is polyglot. One who runs away from justice is called. The correct answer is fugitive. The next question is, a child who has lost both of his parents is called. An orphan. The one who knows everything is called. Which one is the correct? Omniscient is the correct answer. One who doubts the existence of God. Which one will be the correct answer? Atheist. A person who eats human flesh is called. The answer is cannibal. Which word means to reduce in amount? Do you have any idea? Guess the answer. Diminish. Which word means very happy? You are right, it's joyful. Which word means to begin? This one is really easy. It's start. A period of 1000 years is called. You can guess the answer easily. Millennium. The examination of living tissues is called. The answer is biopsy. Which word means a short journey? The answer is trip. Which word means to look at carefully? The answer is examine. The custom of having many wives. Which will be the correct answer? The answer is polygamy. A disease which spread by contact is called. The correct answer is contagious. Here is the next question. Which word means to gather together? The answer is collect. A remedy for all disease is called. Choose the correct answer. It's panacea. This is the last question. Are you ready for this? Which word means a person who teaches? Oh, it's teacher. Great job. Thanks for watching and see you in the next quiz.